Okay, today I'm going to be washing some clothes on my antique washing machine. So I found out that this thing is from between 1915 and 1925. Here it is. So first we got to fill it up with water. The first time I used this, it was just purely to demonstrate, it wasn't to clean any clothes. But today I'm going to actually be cleaning some clothes. All of my bedding for my apartment. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. We got to fill this up. The washer is already plugged in. That's what's so loud. See, the motor is spinning. It's not in gear though, so it's not moving right now. We gotta fill this to a fill line, which is somewhere on here. Here's the fill line right there. Okay, now I'm filling the washer up. This was open, so I had to close that, and I need to close it better. I only have one hand right now. I'm like Captain Hook. Okay, the wash tub is about full, so I'm going to quit filling it up now. I'm going to go ahead and put all of the blankets and stuff in here. And quilts. Okay, we're going to have to do 2 separate loads of laundry. Here's the first load. Here's some other quilts that I need to put in here next. We're going to use half a cup of this stuff. Okay, I put the Tide in there. Usually, when I have other stuff on hand, I will make stuff to target specific stains. For instance, if I have a whole lot of grease on my clothes and stuff, I mix up acetone, alcohol, borax, sodium carbonate, which is washing soda, and what else do I put in there? I put some other stuff in there, and it targets... Oh, did I say acetone already? Anyway, it targets the grease. So I make stuff usually to target specific stains and put that in with the wash. I didn't this time. Okay, I've put the lid on. Let's go ahead and start the washer. Okay, this thing has been washing a while. Let's go ahead and stop it. There we go. Okay, now let's drain the water, the soapy water, wring the clothes, fill it with fresh water, and rinse the clothes. Look how dirty that water is. Ugh. Okay, let's go ahead and drain it. Okay, now we're going to wring the blankets. So we've got to wring it through here. This has to face down so the extra water will go back into the tub. Let's go ahead and start the wringer. That's the wrong way. Let's put it the right way. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and wring these clothes. We'll tighten the tension on the wringer. Okay, let's do this. Okay, the clothes have been run through the wringer. There they are in that laundry basket. Now I'm going to fill this up with fresh water and rinse the clothes and then wring them out again and take them to the dryer. Because the natural dryer that never breaks is not shining right now. So we have to use an electric dryer. Okay, I filled this with fresh water and the clothes are going, or the blankets are going, the quilt, whatever this is going back in here. Now we're ready to rinse these clothes. Okay, I believe the clothes are done rinsing. Let's go ahead and stop this. And we'll go ahead and unplug this and drain this. Okay, let's go ahead and drain this. While this is draining, we'll go ahead and start wringing out the clothes. So let me plug this back in. Okay, let's start wringing the clothes. That is the wrong way again. Okay, here we go. Let's put some more pressure on here so it'll squeeze more water out. Okay, and here we go. I guess we'll put this quilt through there first. need to tighten this more. Okay, I had to fix it with both hands, but I got it through there. Let's put some more stuff through here. Okay, I have rinsed all the clothes off and I wrung them out. Let's go ahead and put the lid back on this washer. Then I'm going to use a dryer in my grandma's house to dry these since the natural dryer is not out right now. Okay, the clothes are now in the dryer and they are finishing drying, and then they will be done. And you can see them tomorrow because they will be on my beds.